to a book review of Ready, Steady, Go! The weekend starts here, the definitive story of the show that changed pop TV. Now this book is from Andy Neill and it's from bmg.com, so you can check out their website. There's about 260 pages and this is a really comprehensive view of the show. And there's the spine, and I'm just going to quickly open it up so you can just see there's the spine there, and it opens really nicely, and this is just beautiful. So I'll just show you a few pictures from the book, and there's an example there. That's another example there, and some more examples. And this book is just full of, and then you've got an episode guide at the back. It's just an amazing book. And some more there. Okay, just going to go through the book now. This is a very nice quality feel as well. This is quite a wide book. It's quite, well, it's a square bound book. And the paper is very nice. And the paper inside is really nice quality paper as well. Very decent quality paper. And it starts, even this, I love this bit as well. It's just got the front, it's got all the cards so you can get in, obviously for the show. And there's also various scrapbooks as well at the back. The Ready, Steady, Go scrapbook. I would love to get a copy of that. Ready, Steady, Go there. And Ricky Tick Windsor as well. Bit there. So before the weekend starts, obviously it's got all a bit about Call for Cats. Right. And interviews, got lots and lots of interviews with all the variety of people. Obviously bits like with Kathy, there's nothing particularly new from her because of course they're all snippets from the past. So you've got interviews with Vicky Wickham there, Polly Perkins, Robert Fleming, just about the production team, about the artwork, the studio set up. Also lots of Ready, Steady, Go, lots of adverts for the show. Photos there of obviously Kathy Kirby and then Kenny Lynch. Oh, actually weighs a ton of this book, so I'm just going to put that down. It's also got the mod ball there. All Systems Go 1964, so you've got lots of from various pop weekly magazines and things. Double Talk with Kathy there, the mod magazine. More and more, just lots, all the way Lulu. Obviously Mick Jagger, Ready, Steady, Go, Win. There's also about that, the Ready, Steady, Go, Win. So picture after picture. There's countless pictures in this. This is just, and most of the pictures I've known Rod Stewart there looking amazingly young. Anne Nightingale. And this is just amazing. Keith Altham, Chris Stamp, Donovan. Just picture after picture after picture, lots and lots of information about Donovan there, information about Scott Walker, all the artwork as well, the various artwork behind the show. Just staggering. There's also lots of things about the clubs that we used. So you've got here, I must admit, just absolutely stunning here, the Ad-Lib Club. You've got all the cards and things for the ad-lib. You've got the flamingo, you've got the Scotch of James St James, the scene. Got some great pictures there. I love the there. Obviously pictures of people's houses. The map, Raver's Map of London. So you've got a map of London so you can see where all the various shops are that you should go to. I suspect all of these. I have actually wandered around London looking at all these sort of places, and you can obviously see bits and pieces. Lots obviously you can't. It's all gone now. So the tiles, of course, all long gone. Dusty Springfield there. Ready, Steady, Go again. Oh, obviously when they went to Paris. Some great scenes there of the Paris trip. And also Melody Makers. The weekend, obviously saying about how it all, in the end, the show finishes. And then you've got notes, of course, and you've got more bits from the papers, magazines. And this episode guide is just staggering. This is really amazing. Now, as it says, how accurate is it? Can it be? Obviously, it's done from various recordings. Obviously, most of the recordings are long gone, sadly. But obviously, audio recordings. So you've got all the like, episodes. So it's got amazing when you look at this. This is the one thing it does say, read and weep, because it is. You just look and think, oh, why? All these are all destroyed, long gone. But of course, it means the stuff that we've got is even more precious. But it is just quite staggering. It's got also episode trivia and like what Donovan's saying. This is Elkie Brooks. I mean, Elkie Brooks, amazing. Elkie Brooks for me was more the 70s, but obviously she was around in the 60s. You got Holly's Goldie and the Gingerbread. I mean, that was episode 75. I mean, that is just full of just brilliant. The Ivy League, rhythm and blues. Just Unit 4 plus, +2. And so on and so on. This book is one staggeringly brilliant book about, it's just, I'm going to love this book. It's one of the books I'm going to be dipping into, reading many, many times, I'm quite certain. Just love books about the 60s, obviously good books about the 60s, and this has jumped right to the top. I think this is just superb. This is a labour of love. Someone has created a real masterpiece with this book. So thoroughly enjoyable, totally recommended.